Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pounds Breaks on Friday is February the 25th. We are breaking Bum Box Jerseys Plus. It is one box, but two hits inside. At least two hits inside. We've randomed up our 15 remaining box numbers. We're exactly halfway through the series. We got number 4. Did random team sales? Far left. We've already randomized teams. Customers alphabetized everybody. Gave them all a chance to trade. Had a few offers. Nothing went down. Pop of your seal. Right, here we go, everybody. Well, we knew they were going to start coming out fairly regularly, guys. Bam. Going to be a giant spot with the WSD golden ticket for the Giants, guys. Bam, also going to be the Eagles spot with the Brian Dawkins. Telling you, I really like this jersey, man. This is a really nice looking jersey in person. Man, it is really nice looking, I'm telling you, man. But it's the Brian Dawkins red, white, and blue stats jersey. And I'm telling you, in person, man, just the colors are badass, man. It is really freaking nice, guys. For the Philadelphia spot on that one, JSA certification. Again, whoops, sorry, guys. Lights glare a little funny there. Bam. So going to be Giants and Philadelphia. Spots on that. Just get that folded. JC card. Some bags. So that's a really nice jersey, man. So looks wise, it's probably one of my favorite hits in the series. All right, so Giants, Eagles. Get rid of that. Wow, well, our break's gonna hit the Dawkins. So it goes to I break. Well, I break. You have one slot in that sucker there. And Giants. Giants going to NC Teacher. Goes to NC. Alright, so that's going to wrap up that one boxer, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pounds Break stuff owned by and join us. Click the follow and subscribe buttons if you have not, folks. Thank you very much.